So you're having problems with your sinuses and want to do a little self-help. Hi, my name is Mark Brinson, Doctor of Oriental Medicine, Physical Medicine and Human Performance Specialist. Sinus problems can come from a variety of sources. You can be coming down with a cold. You could possibly have some sort of allergies, or you could just have chronic sinus problems of unknown origin. I'm going to give you a few self-help points from the acupressure realm that can help with that. Acupressure and acupuncture are essentially the same thing, but if you're doing this at home, simple finger pressure can be used on several points around the nose and on the hand and the arm that can be helpful. One point that can be helpful with anything pain and sinus is Li4 that's located in the web of the hand. You can also use Li11 that's located at the crease of the arm. Right? Circular motions, maybe 30 seconds to a minute each. And then there's points that are around the nose itself that can be helpful. One, just underneath, pressing gently and in an upward direction. Midway on either side of the nose with gentle circular stimulation for about 30 seconds. And directly between the center of the eyebrows. All of these can be helpful. And remember, if you have sinus problems that are persistent or extreme pressure or pain accompanied with fever, make sure that you have a qualified health professional check you out. My name is Mark Brinson, wishing you happiness, healthy, and balanced lives.